Corin. Thanks for joining. Well, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that I've been wanting to buy a house. So I've owned homes before, but I really wanted to buy a house. And I finally got one, and I'm actually in it. So how are you? Thanks for joining. Okay, I'm not going to give you a full tour yet because I'm actually doing a renovation, and I want to tell you like what I did. So the other day I got in here and I changed the locks, okay? And so I changed the locks, and I'm going to have remodelers like coming in with that key, and then when everything's done, I'm going to change the locks again. So what I just did was I got a sponge and some, like a bucket of water, and I kept changing the water, and I wiped down, and by the way, there's probably a really loud echo in here, and I wiped down all the baseboards, but like this far, like about 3 feet tall on the baseboards, because they had dogs in here, and so I did the whole house. And so basically, I was just like bending down and like, you know, doing all the walls in the interior. And that's all I've done. So I haven't left you out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sage this property. So I have this really cool aromatherapy herbal bundles, mountain sage, cedar, and sweetgrass blend. Woodsy and warm hay aromas. I picked this one out. Thanks to you guys, thank you, I'm so happy. So I'm glad I could bring you in. And let's begin the saging process. So basically I got this gorgeous fireplace, and yeah, there's a lot of features about this house that are amazing. Like, I'm so blessed. It took me a year and a half to find this property because I'm very vigilant. So I always teach diligence, persistence, consistently, and then I added in vigilant. So yeah, so I'm glad. I'm gonna have you guys sage with me. So let's first start by lighting it. I'm so excited. So I have about a month of remodeling to do here, and I basically have, you know, my life to do, plus the remodel, plus I am a full-time caregiver for my mama, and she doesn't really need much. It's just I want her with me. So let's do the saging process. Okay. Now I'm doing this over the fireplace just in case it falls onto the floor. These floors are immaculate. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be bringing you in for every stage along the way, but these floors are going to get a grout cleaning by a professional. That smells so good. Let's light it a little more, shall we? Oh, and I also took the hose, because they had dogs, so I took the hose and like washed the side of the house down. And I'm going to be using a really strong dish soap. I know, right? I'm not using a natural soap. Can you believe that? But natural soap doesn't kill strong odors unless you know what you're doing. But okay, so we got the sage lit, and now it's in California for those who are asking. Thank you. So now I'm going to go around to every single room, and I don't really want to do a walkthrough of the house. So I'm just going to sage this room because I don't want to show you the house until I'm done. You know, or no, that's not it. Okay, I'm not going to do a walkthrough of the whole house until I finish the remodel, but I'm going to be showing you sections. Okay, so let's light it one more time. All right. Now let's set our intentions. So when I bought this house, my intentions were to have a place to call home and to also have studio space, and also to be able to take care of my loved ones should they need to come stay with me. So let's set our intention for just that. Now, we don't know what the future brings, how long I'll be in this house. I might have it forever, who knows? I might buy other houses, but, oh, thank you, you guys. Thanks for your compliments. Okay, so one more time, because it's not quite lit yet. So my intentions are to do just everything that I just said, to live a happy, prosperous, healthy life. So you just wave it around. And you just clear the energy and you ask the Great Spirit to fill the house with white light, protective light, and to protect us and all of us, everyone in this community, friends, family, pets. Thank you guys. So you just wave it around, and the floor, there's no carpet in here, so you don't have to worry about it like going onto the carpet. And you just go around the house a little bit and just wave and wave. That chair was here, thank God, because my mom had a place to sit. And that's it. I'll go through the whole house like this. And thank you for being with me. I love you. I appreciate you. Yes, Lynn Mary, Veronica Russell. I definitely opened all the windows, even the garage door, and yeah. So I'm gonna continue saging the house. I'm gonna walk through, it's burning slightly. So I'm gonna go now so I don't breathe too much of this in. Thank you, I love you. And I finally did it. And my pants are falling down. Love you very much. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video. It'll probably be in the morning because I'm going to have the painters in here. I'm not doing too much paint. I'm just fixing areas because I don't like paint. Love you. Thanks very much for all of that you do.